Hi guys, it's David. I just want to give you a quick intro on how to utilize Shakepay to buy cryptocurrency in Canada. So you can buy Bitcoin easily and Ethereum easily. So if you see the add funds there, you can tap add funds and you can deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, Interact e-transfer or wire transfer. Once you tap on it, you'll get your details and password and everything, which you should use for the e-transfer. Obviously, you want to make sure you're KYC approved, upload your photo ID and all the information they require. Once you're uploaded, you're good to go. Then you're going to tap the double arrows here. You're going to tap buy and sell. You can choose Bitcoin or Ethereum. In this case, I'm going to hit Ethereum. You can hit maximum, use it all, or use a certain amount of dollars that you want here. Okay. I recommend depositing at least $100 to get a bonus $30 on your deposit. And then you can utilize my bonus that I have in the link in the description. And also, the Shakepay app allows you to shake your phone and retrieve free Bitcoin. As you can see, shaking your sats, I did this 10 hours ago. You get free Satoshis by just shaking your phone, which is amazing, okay? So what I like about this platform, it's very simple to use. You can also tap on the charts here. If you tap on Bitcoin, you can see the hour chart, day chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, 1 year chart, okay? So they don't charge any fees or anything on the trades. Now they do mark up a little bit of the pricing, just to kind of take their profit. And basically, they need to kind of make money as a business. So that's how they're going to do it. They make a little difference on the price that you buy crypto at. One way to kind of mitigate that, if you make a purchase here, let's say you want to buy, you can do a limit order. Okay, so you predict. Ethereum is going to be currently it's at 1651. It's going to be at 16. You can then hit next and buy at that price. Kind of do a limit pricing there. And then hit next, confirm buy order, and there you go. That's it. Once it reaches that 1600, if it does, then you'll get that buy order right away. Now, in this case, I'm just going to buy it at market price because I believe in what Ethereum's doing. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. I'm going to just dollar cost average in. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and go limit order again and cancel that one off. And in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and buy. I'm just going to go ahead and buy instant. I'm going to go Ethereum. And I'm going to go maximum and boom. Confirm. Just bought Ethereum. That's it. So now the Ethereum's in my wallet there. And if you want to send it out to anyone, you can also hit send. And you can send to your list or just copy and paste your address to someone else. And they can receive the Ethereum. Or you can send it to another Ethereum wallet of your choice, whether on a ledger or a software wallet or another exchange. All right. If this was helpful for you guys, please comment below that you like videos and these type of videos. And please, if I can earn your subscription today, about 90% to 95% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So you guys can please help me build up my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. It really does help me. So please hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. If you want to take advantage of a free $30 bonus with a $100 deposit with Shakepay, click on my link below in my description and the comment section, all right? I appreciate everybody checking out these videos. I really do believe that Bitcoin will get to 100,000 and then eventually to $1 million a coin. It will take time. Ethereum is predicted to go up to 30K a token and then move on up from there by end of the year. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion and I agree with it. If you don't agree, that's fine. But this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if you guys want to take action on Shakepay, quickly get some Bitcoin